This allows users to choose the pricing option that best suits their budget and business needs. Additionally, Microsoft Azure offers a variety of cost management tools and services, which helps users to optimize their spending and avoid unexpected costs. However, there are some potential drawbacks to using Microsoft Azure. Firstly, the platform may not be the best option for organizations that are heavily invested in other cloud computing platforms or technologies. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the platform's performance and reliability, particularly during peak usage periods. Another important aspect to consider when evaluating Microsoft Azure is its support and community. Microsoft offers a variety of support options for Azure users, including documentation, community forums, and technical support. Additionally, Microsoft has a robust partner network that offers consulting, training, and other services to help users maximize their use of Azure. In terms of the Azure community, there is a large and active user base that includes developers, IT professionals, and business leaders. This community provides a wealth of resources and knowledge-sharing opportunities, which can be helpful for users who are new to Azure or looking to learn more about advanced features and use cases. Another benefit of Microsoft Azure is its global reach. The platform is available in a variety of regions and data centers around the world, which allows users to choose the location that is closest to their target audience. Additionally, Microsoft Azure offers a variety of compliance certifications and regulatory compliance, which makes it a suitable choice for businesses that operate in regulated industries. However, there are some potential drawbacks to using Microsoft Azure that should be considered. Firstly, the platform may not be the best option for organizations that require high levels of customization or control over their cloud infrastructure. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the platform's billing and pricing, particularly for complex workloads. Another important aspect of Microsoft Azure to consider is its reliability and uptime. Microsoft Azure has a robust infrastructure that is designed to be highly available and fault-tolerant. The platform uses a variety of tools and services, such as load balancing, redundancy, and failover, to ensure that applications and services are always up and running. Additionally, Microsoft Azure offers a variety of monitoring and alerting tools that allow users to track the performance of their applications and services in real time. This helps users to identify and address issues before they become critical. Another benefit of Microsoft Azure is its ease of use and automation capabilities. The platform offers a variety of automation tools and services, such as Azure Automation, Azure Functions, and Azure Logic apps, which allow users to automate common tasks and processes. This can help to improve efficiency and reduce the risk of human error. However, there are some potential drawbacks to using Microsoft Azure. Firstly, the platform may not be the best option for organizations that require a high level of customization or control over their cloud infrastructure. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the platform's pricing and billing, particularly for complex workloads. TFTUC Va Kong Trung Lap. Another important aspect to consider when evaluating Microsoft Azure is its data management and analytics capabilities. The platform offers a variety of tools and services that allow users to store, manage, and analyze large amounts of data in the cloud.